How to connect contacts on your Instagram Lite account. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to connect your contacts to your Instagram Lite account, what you're simply going to do is first of all, launch the Instagram Lite application on your device. After you do that, in the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see your profile picture. Click on it. Then you'll be taken to this sort of page. Over here, you can see all your profile's information. Then in the top right, you'll see a three-bar option. Click on it, then go to settings. After you do that, go to the option which says preferences over here. Then, then over here, you can see the option which says contact syncing. Now you'll see the first option which says connect contacts. And if you toggle this on, and then allow Instagram Lite to access information by going to the settings and give it permission to the contact and do allow. After you do this, you can connect contacts on your Instagram Lite. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys found it very interesting and educational, and see you in the next video.